Hi everyone. What is freelancing? Freelancing is selling your skills online, which can be as easy as proofreading or as complex as being an IT expert. It's a way anyone, even a person with no skills, can earn money online. You will be working for several clients and several jobs at one time, rather than working for just one. All you have to do is create a service or gig, put it on 3 beginner-friendly websites that I will share with you shortly. I will also give you some important tips at the end of the video. Please stick till the end. When you get clients on this website and when they buy your service, you will start making money by working from home or from your office if your boss is not watching. Now, why this method should be considered? This method is a practical way of earning, and you are actually working for the money you are earning. And getting paid from this method is 103% guaranteed. And how does this freelancing method work? Let's say a new business needs a logo. They do not want to break their bank for this. And for affordable alternatives, they come to these freelancing websites to buy services from freelancers like us. They go through the gigs on the websites, and if they dig your gig, they will buy your service. The website takes the payment as soon as the order is made. After you complete the logo and the buyer is satisfied with the logo, the website will pay your share of the amount. The websites will keep 7% of the amount charged. What is the payout method? You can get paid through PayPal or direct to your bank. What are the best websites for freelancing jobs? There are many freelancing websites, but not all are beginner friendly. The 3 most beginner friendly websites are freelancer.com, upwork.com and fiverr.com. Links are in the description. These websites will help you set up a profile, set up a portfolio, and even help you with creating your gigs. And the sign up is very simple. Just provide your email address, your name, and other basic details. Confirm your email address and you're all done. I will also leave a step-by-step sign-up procedure for beginners in the description. Now let's look at the tips. Do not take this as a job, take this as a business. When you take it as a job, you will only concentrate on one client and one gig. But when you do it as a business, you will concentrate on all your gigs and all the clients you get. And don't forget that every day a new freelancer signs up. That means every day the competition is going up. The second tip is create many gigs of different niches. This will help you reach a wider range of clients. They can come for a $5 gig and end up buying an expensive gig from you. The third tip is go for the niche that the market wants. This way you will get your clients faster and you don't have to wait for too long for a buyer. The last tip is the topic should tell who your gig is for, what problems can be solved with the gig, and how you are able to solve those problems. So your topic should be like, I help blank to blank through blank. For example, I help new businesses to own a professional logo through my advanced graphic designing skills and softwares. Watching the first video will give you a gig you can use even if you don't have any skills. Or you can watch the second video if you want to see other ways of earning. Learning and earning should never stop. Thank you for watching. Take care. Disclaimer, you should not leave your current paying job to do this until you have secured enough clients to earn a living. Just use this as a side hustle.